The HPN Signature Series has been the flagship line of machines at HeatPressNation for well over a decade. In that time, we've seen tens of thousands of individuals make the choice to build their business with a Signature Series machine. And there are three things that really make the Signature Series stand out as a heat press powerhouse. First and foremost is quality. Our Signature Series line of heat presses have been designed from the ground up to provide the greatest value for our customers. This commitment to quality starts at the manufacturing level, from the die-cast aluminum heating elements to the UL certified internal components. These reliable machines are built to a high standard that's demanded by our discerning customers. Our Signature Series are the heat presses that you can count on. Not only is quality built in from the ground up, we've also gone to great lengths to ensure that professional equipment is accessible to those working on a startup budget. Even with its affordable price tag, the Signature Series line still provides premium heat press features, like a slide-out lower platen on all of our clamshell models. Signature Series regularly outperforms similarly priced machines while being considered one of the best values on the market today. The value in our Signature Series line extends beyond the machines themselves. For starters, we include 1 year of MyExpert Protection Standard, with the option to further extend your warranty coverage for up to 4 years total. Not only that, HeatPressNation is proud to offer free lifetime technical support on our Signature Series heat presses. We stand behind our products so you could purchase with confidence, knowing that you'll have direct manufacturer support, no middleman or ticket system that moves at a snail's pace. Simply call our team during business hours and you'll be connected directly to a live representative here at our sunny Southern California headquarters. With over 50,000 units sold, the Signature Series has really made a name for itself in the garment decoration industry. But don't take my word for it. You could find out for yourself by purchasing your very own Signature Series heat press at HeatPressNation.com. For more information or to speak with one of our friendly representatives, you can always call us at 800-215-0894.